Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the pan bare and hot. This is essential. Remove factory coatings with hot water and a little soap, then dry. Once dry, add a thin, even coat of a high smoke point oil. Flaxseed, grapeseed, or avocado works. About 1 teaspoon for an 8-10-inch pan. Heat the pan quickly to 450 degrees 500 degrees so the metal opens its surface and the oil begins to polymerize into a first molecular layer. This creates the foundation for true nonstick performance. Once the first layer exists, make many ultra-thin layers instead of one thick coat. You want to wipe nearly all oil away so only a molecular amount remains, then heat until it smokes and a matte film appears. Repeat this process 8 to 12 times. Each cycle bonds more polymerized carbon to the steel. Vary pace, short waits to cool, longer heats to cure. Make sure to rotate the pan under steady 450 degrees, 500 degrees heat, so layers form evenly across the cooking surface. You finish by treating the pan as a polymer surface. Cook at medium heat and avoid prolonged contact with acidic foods, which can erode the layers. After each use, clean with hot water and a soft brush. Never soak or use harsh detergents often. If the surface becomes sticky or uneven, strip to bare steel using oven cleaner or abrasive ash, rinse thoroughly, and rebuild 8 to 12 ultra-thin layers. This single method, many polymerized layers, is the only reliable way to make steel pans truly non-stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.